Hey guys, this is Vess and welcome back to another speed art. This speed art, I'm going to focus on basically the Kickstarter thumbnail that I was thinking about for weeks now. This, honestly speaking, this week, you can say, the kids had their spring break, so I basically had nothing. I couldn't do anything. I was basically hanging out with them, watching movies, playing video games, etc., etc. I think the video game we're playing is called Hellfire, something like that. It's a 4-player game and you just like fight all the time. You fight bugs and stuff. It's a cool little game, but I went ahead. I was playing that with them and just trying to spend time with them till they go back to school, and we start this right back up for the summer break, right? So yeah, I was like, I don't know what to do for Sunday's video because I have things written down, but I didn't have the time to do those things, and I don't know. I think my spirits was down because I don't know what's going on with my whole attitude, and I guess is because I'm going through medical stuff, but it's fine. My nostrils is really like flared up all the time. It's like every 5 minutes I'm sneezing or blowing my nose, and that's just irritating me. But I digress. I went ahead and I was just thinking about what to do, and the only thing I could think about was a thumbnail for the Kickstarter launch party that's coming up April 8th. So yeah, if you guys are ready for that, it's an all-day stream. I will be doing all-day stream, and whoever goes ahead and they pledge, they have a chance to get something like a sketch from me, and anything of their liking, I'll print it off and I'll put it in their bundle. It's like a first come first serve type of thing, and it lasts all the way till I'm done with the stream. Once I'm done, I'm done. So yeah, if you want to be part of that, come down April 8th. It's going to be an all day stream again. And if you wondering like, oh, Vess, when you're going to stream it, hit that bell, and as soon as I get on, you're going to get a notification. So go ahead and do that. That's what I heard that it works. So yeah. And yeah, come down, enjoy us. Let's have some fun. And, be cool in our streams like we usually do. It's good. I want it to be party like. I don't know if it's going to be like the 1000th one, but I do want to get a lot of stuff done for that. Try to promote the Kickstarter a little bit more, stuff like that, and get people situated. Now, yes, this is a thumbnail, but I did make it high res in pics, and that's in pixels. I mean, not pics, but pixels, and that's because I do want to have it as, I do want to do something with it. It might be a thank you card or something for the people who pledged. I want to do like little extra special stuff in my packages, and I always do extra special stuff. So this might not be the only thing. I'm not too sure. So yeah, guys, you have to pledge to find out. And I went ahead and I stuck with Sebastian, this character, and that's because he's gonna show up more in book 6, and there's a lot of stuff that he does, and a lot of stuff that happens in book 6. So I just want to put the main focus on him, because if you got book 5, we ended off with him. So if you didn't get book 5, you have to. I went ahead and I added it to the Celestial Pulse Kickstarter, so that if you guys have all the books, a set of book 5, you can get it there along with book 6. So I made it accessible for you guys to be able to get any of the books if you don't have the books, even new coming pulses. If you guys don't have the books will be there for you to get. So yes, I'm really excited, but yet nervous. Like, it's a nerve-wracking transition, and I guess it's because the last Kickstarter left me a little shaken up. I thought it wasn't going to, I didn't think it was gonna get, what do you call that, funded? Yeah, I didn't think it was gonna get funded, so it made me nervous, and I don't know. I had a bad stomach ache that whole month. But this time I feel a little bit more confident. You guys gave me the confidence to do the Kickstarter again and be supportive. And that's why I thank you guys a lot, because you guys do put that extra oomph in there for me so that I could feel comfortable enough to do this type of things. And being that my square off can't do pre-orders, this is the only way that I can do stuff. So, you know, any indie comic creators out there that is trying to get your stuff out there, but you don't have the money to do so, Kickstarter is a perfect place to do it. I find it to be like a pre-order type of thing. So, you know, it's like you pre-order this thing, you get it printed and whatever you need to get it done with, and you send it off. And hopefully, in between that, you can get extra money so that you can print out, so that you can sell that in conventions or anything else. I'm gonna be taking you guys on my Kickstarter journey because that's what I want to do, and I feel like it's very important for those who are trying to become indie creators. And I want to show you guys my process, what I'm doing, and when it's funded, I want to show you the hell that I go through. It's not like a bad hell, you know, but it's me talking to my printer, trying to get things done, and, you know, figuring it out, and you know, just things that I want to do extra for the bundle, how I wrap up my Kickstarter bundle, what I do for my Kickstarter bundles. And, you know, I just want to give you guys that extra oomph to show you guys my process, so that if you want to take some of that, those tips and stuff that I do, you can do that, because you should have options to figure out, you know, what works best for you. You don't want to just wing it and, you know, have to go through so many mistakes as I went through. That's why I do a lot. I think that's why I do a lot of things. But I guess I want to treat my pulses like I treat my brothers and sisters. I want to take my experiences and what I learned from my mistakes and show you guys and tell you my experiences, and give you the option of what you want to do, because, you know, it's your free will, is what you want to do. So yeah, that's my plans. If you're cool with that, hit that like. If you're cool with that. So yeah, guys, this picture I went a little bit slow, and that's because again, the posters have been one of the posters, yeah. They said, "Hey, Vess, your speed art is a bit too much, you know, too fast. Can you slow it down a bit?" And that's what I'm doing right now. So I have it slow enough so you can see what I'm doing, but it's a speed at the same time. It's not making you want to throw up, you know. So if you're cool with that, let me know in the comments that you're cool with it. I had it faster before, and that's because I didn't want you guys sitting through a 10 to 15 minute video of me doing this. And I don't know, my attention span is short, so I was just thinking about me, I guess, like how I would view a video. But if y'all doing good with it, then yeah, hey, I'm cool with that. You know, if you want it a little bit slow, I'll do it for you. I'm not gonna change it up again. That's if you guys want it like this. So yeah, guys, focusing on this character, trying to get this Kickstarter launched and stuff. If you guys are new to what I'm saying about the Kickstarter stuff, link is down in the description. Is the first thing you're gonna see. Once you go down is a preview link. There you can comment, you can like it with a heart, so that when I do go live, you know automatically when I go live, and you know, be part of that, so you know we can get it together and make sure this Kickstarter gets started with a bang. I want it with a bang, guys. I want to do everything. Another cool thing that we have along with this Kickstarter is I will be having the gold pin that you guys helped me design. So that's going to be an add-on so that you could be able to purchase it after the Kickstarter. And we all agreed on a price on the couple of streams ago, and I wrote down that price, and I think it's a perfect price and affordable for you guys. So I'm going to go along with that price and just have it out there and see where that takes us. The pins will be an automatic thing. I'm thinking about taking it from my Celestial Pulse funds to do so that when I go to my next conventions, I will have it there for new pulses that want to check out our stuff, you know, like check out Celestial Pulse and what I do. So that's my ideas and my plans, and I do still want to make the gold Posty card along with that, you know. The gold Posty card would be perfect for it. So that's my thoughts for it, and I'm gonna just do it. I'm gonna go for it. I think it'd be perfect for us, and it'll be like a nice little trinket to have. I started my button curtain. I call it my button curtain because my setup for where I do my YouTube and stuff, my curtain is there. So I started a button curtain. So for the pulses that I do buy their stuff and they got buttons, I post it up out there so that, you know, if anybody asks, I can tell them who that button is from. So yeah, guys, launch party. I found the front for it. I put it up and I was happy with it. And this is how it came out. I think it came out really good. Again, guys, this might be a wallpaper or something for the kickers. So this might be, you know, tweaked a little bit and used again. So yeah, guys, again, April 8th. Is gonna be the launch party, so be sure to be there. If you like this video, hit that like, and if you're new here and you're like, hey Ves, I like what you're doing, go ahead and hit that subscribe and become become one of our family members. I continuously do art content like this. So yeah, guys, remember I stream every Fridays at 7 Eastern Standard Time. Be sure to be there or be square. Again, guys, thank you for liking, sharing, telling a friend, and helping a friend. Have an amazing rest of the day. Bye-bye.